baby in the family. We're excited. I know everyone's excited to know what they're having. We seem to have a lot of ones who think that they're going to win for Team Boy. And there's actually a lot of people who think that's a girl. It's surprising. Most of the men, obviously, is for boy because everyone wants someone to be their protege, per se. So we just pray that we have a happy and healthy baby that's brought up in a house full of love, which they have because their family is very lovable. I am a in-law, so it was a privilege for them to trust me to be the one who knows the actual gender of the baby, i.e. why I am in all white and don't have anything stating what I think it will be. But everyone knows that I'm a boy mom because I have boys, so I'm definitely Team Boy all the way because boys are easy. So I always, anyone that's having a baby, I'm like, I hope you have a boy. So, you finished? Did everyone get to fill out the mommy and daddy questionnaire? So the first question is, who will change more diapers? And they answer these questions together, and their consensus is mommy. Mommy will change more diapers.
Exactly.
Question number 2 is, who will sleep more after the baby arrives?
The dad.
Stop cheating! Why are you bringing my Daddy is the answer that they chose.
Wait, really? Oh.
Who suggested the baby name? We all know this one. Who you think suggested? Who will take more photos of the baby? Both.
It's gonna be mom, sure.
Who will the baby call first?
Dad. No, mommy.
So they said mommy, but studies prove that most children say daddy first because it's easier to get out as a baby. I know this because I work in the medical field. So who will the baby resemble more? They hit a certain age, it's like, oh my God, stop talking. So I'm excited to know what we're gonna have. Everyone ready?
Yes.
Okay, so mommy's mood, if it's a boy or a girl, what do you think? Is she going to be happy or moody?
Happy.
Happy is the right answer. Cravings for mommy, sweet or salty?